In this video, we will show you how to create a new column using a calculated field transformation. Calculated field transformations in Workbench are great because they transform data quickly, directly from your machine, so the dataset is ready right when it gets to Domo. To create a transform, we come to the Transform section of our dataset, where we are going to right-click and select Create New Transform. From there, we will select our transform type, which in this case will be the calculated field transform. Because calculated fields create new columns, we're going to name our new column. In this case, it is going to be customer names because we are concatenating the first and last names of our customers together. And then we are going to click on Calculation. For calculated functions, we have a lot of options, very similar to the options you would find when you are manipulating data directly within an Excel workbook. We can do date and time, logical, math and trig calculations, statistical calculations, and we can also do text calculations. You can see here, this is where we find our concatenate option, which is the one we will be using in this video. I added it to our calculated column. I'm going to erase this part, leaving an open parentheses, and then we are going to come over here to Available Columns, where we can choose the columns we want. In this case, we want the last name to come first, and then we are going to add what we want to come between our last name and our first name. In this case, it is a comma and a space, and then we are going to add our first name, and close that off with a parentheses. And then we are going to come over here and click Validate, and if we get a green, we know we are good to go. If we come up here, we can preview that and make sure it works the way we are thinking it will. Down here, we can see that we have our new customer name and that it concatenated all of these names correctly. Once that's done, we are going to come up here and we are going to save that transform so that it will run every time we run our dataset and be ready immediately when it reaches Domo.